Generic nouns are fascinating because they allow us to talk about entire categories of things rather than just specific instances. Think about it. When I say dogs, I'm not just referring to my neighbor's golden retriever. I'm talking about all dogs everywhere. This is the essence of a generic noun. Let's dive into some examples. When I say birds can fly, I'm making a statement about all birds, not just the ones I've seen in my backyard. Similarly, cars are essential for modern life refers to the entire class of cars, not just my trusty old sedan. These nouns can be singular or plural, and they can appear with articles or without. For instance, the computer is a powerful tool, uses a definite article, while computers have changed the way we work is a more general statement. Now, how do we identify generic nouns? One tip is to look for context. If the noun is being used to make a broad statement about a category, it's likely generic. For example, in the sentence, cats are independent animals, the word cats is used generically. However, if I say, the cat next door is always on my porch, I'm referring to a specific cat, not the entire category. Another clue is the use of articles. Generic nouns can appear with the indefinite article a or a, as in, a dog is a loyal companion. Here, a dog refers to any dog, not just one specific dog. On the other hand, when we say the dog is known as man's best friend, we're still talking about dogs in general, but the definite article gives it a slightly different flavor, suggesting a common understanding of the concept. It's also interesting to note that the same noun can shift between generic and specific based on context. For instance, the teacher gave us homework refers to a specific teacher, while teachers play a crucial role in education speaks to all teachers as a group. So, when you're writing or speaking, pay attention to how you're using nouns. Are you talking about a specific instance, or are you making a broader statement? This distinction can enhance your communication and make your points clearer. In summary, generic nouns are powerful tools in language, allowing us to discuss entire classes of things. By recognizing their characteristics and understanding the context in which they're used, we can communicate more effectively and enrich our conversations.